Hello students, today I am going to calculate the practical problems of chapter 2nd, that is goodwill. We have different methods for calculating goodwill. The first is average profit method, second is weighted average profit method, third is super profit method, and fourth is capitalization method. Let us discuss one by one. The first is average profit method. The formula for average profit method is the value of goodwill is equals to average profit into number of purchase year. Number of purchase year always given in question. Now for this we need to calculate average profit. Now average profit is equals to total profit upon number of years. Now on the question first, B and C agreed to value goodwill at 3-year purchase of the average profit of the last 5 years for admitting A as a partner. Profit for the last 5 years were 20,000, 15,000, 17,000, 23,000 and 18,000. Calculate the value of goodwill. Now we need to calculate the value of goodwill under average profit method. Now what we have, first year profit is equals to 20,000, second year profit is equals to 15,000, third year profit is equal to 17,000, fourth year profit is equal to 23,000, fifth year profit is equal to 18,000. Now by totaling we have total profit of rupees 93,000. Now what is the formula for goodwill is equals to average profit into number of purchase year. Now what is the formula for average profit? I suggest you to learn all the formulas. For average profit we have a formula, total profit upon total number of years. Now total profit is equals to, as we have calculated, 93,000 and total number of years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the resultant? 18,600. And now we're putting this into this formula. Goodwill is equals to average profit, which is 18,600, and number of purchaser given in question is 3. So goodwill is equals to 55,800. Now this is your question number 1. Now we have question number 2. Partner X is admitted in the firm for A and B for 1/5 share. Calculate new profit partner share in goodwill on the basis of following information: profit for 2015 13,000, profit for 2016 50,000, loss for 2017 20,000, profit for 2018 40,000, profit for 2019 50,000. Goodwill is 2 times of the average profit of last 5 years. Now we have profit for different years and loss for 2017. Now first we need to calculate average profit. $30,000 plus 50,000 plus and bracket में 20,000 माने के loss plus 40,000 plus 50,000 and the resultant will be 30,000. Now what is the formula for goodwill? Average profit into number of purchase year. Now number of purchase year is 2 times of average profit. Now goodwill equals to, what was your average profit? Was 30,000 and what is number of purchase year? 2. So goodwill is 60,000. Now under question number 3, a firm of partner A, B and C has fixed capital of 1,80,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. The profit for the last 4 years before interest and capital were for first year 50, second year 40, third year 70 and fourth year 60,000. Partners have been allowed salary of rupees 80,000 in total during the above 4 years. As per agreement, goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2.5 year of average net profit. Now this 2.5 is your number of purchase year of last 4 years. Please note, the salary to the partner has already been allowed, so it has already been paid. ये already pay की जा चुकी है. Now what we have to do, we have to deduct interest on capital of every year profit. Like from first year profit we have to deduct interest and capital, from second, from third and fourth and so on we have to deduct interest and capital. यानी कि interest and capital हमें हर साल के profit में से निकालना पड़ेगा. We have a table regarding this. We have profit for different years. Now इट इज़ प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल, और हमें क्या करना है, हमें हर साल के प्रॉफिट में से इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल को लेस करना है. अब इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो एज इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल, बीज इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल, सीज इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल. ए की कैपिटल कितनी थी 1 लाख, उस पर 10% लगाया, कितना बना 10,000. बी की थी 80,000, उस पर 10% लगाया तो 8,000. सी की 1,20,000, उस पर 10% लगाया तो 12,000. तो टोटल जो हमारा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बनता है एक साल का 30,000. आपको हर साल के प्रॉफिट में से उनका इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लेस करना है. 50 में से 30 निकाले तो 20, 40 में से 30 10, 70 में से 30 तो 40, 60 में से 30 तो 30. सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जो हमें चाहिए था. नाउ टोटल प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 लाख. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट, वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट एवरेज प्रॉफिट. एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल प्रॉफिट अपॉन में total number of years. Now total profit is equals to 1 lakh and total number of years 4. Average profit is equals to 25,000. Now for goodwill, what was the formula? Average profit into में number of purchase year. What is average profit? It is 25,000. And what was number of purchase year? That was 2.5. So value of goodwill is equals to 62,500. So these are your valuation of goodwill on the basis of average profit method. Thank you.